In this video, I'm going to be highlighting the Compare Mode tool in OceansMap. So the Compare Mode tool lives here on the left-hand toolbar, but in order to show its functionality, I need to turn on a couple layers on the map. So what we are going to do is compare a global data layer. So we'll take global wave height and compare that to a regional layer, Chesapeake wave height. So we'll go into the settings and make sure that the scale is the same for each. So we'll set that to 5 meter max, and we'll set this to 5 meter max. Save that and go back. Now, when you turn multiple layers on a map, you see they overlap here, but we can use the Compare Mode tool. And if we turn that on, this slider appears on the map. So you can turn the slider on or off. You can set it to be vertical or horizontal. And then this area here shows the layers that are on the map. By default, all layers show on both sides of the slider. But the user can customize this. So we can turn the global wave height layer to be on the right side of the slider and the Chesapeake wave height layer to be on the left. So now you'll see that when I move the slider, we have the global layer there and then the regional Chesapeake wave height layer there. And you can slide to see both on the screen. So there's some customizations that can be done. So the user can customize the time scale, the time slider on either side of the map. So say if the user wanted to see Chesapeake wave height yesterday compared to global wave height today, they can change the active time on the left map and leave the right map the way it is. And you can see that data update. The user can also change the base map for either side. So when the Compare Mode tool is on, you'll see under the base map tool, we now have a section for left map and a section for right map. So let's say if the left map, we want to look at the satellite view, you can see now that the left side has the satellite base map and right side is the default base map.